Good morning. Wait a minute, what time is it? You made it. We're ready for Tiny Home Fest.
Hey, how's it going?
I never look at directions.
There's so many cool things here. This is a DIY.
This thing is so cool.
It's cute.
Really, 18-hour shift. So you saw the video?
I see all the videos.
I know, me too.
Where is he? I used to have him on there.
The one.
Yes.
Oh,
I
God.
gotta see Randy when I get it.
Part 5, we're gonna actually pull it in.
I know it. I thought, man, should I show all this or not, you know? I shouldn't know when you got it filmed.
Beautiful. Bungo
Ypsilanti.
Tell me Ypsilanti.
Yep.
Right outside of Ann Arbor.
Yep.
I'm like, where? Like, oh, let me introduce Randy and walk up like, watch
No way. That's awesome.
That's my hero right
Thank
there.
you, man.
I have been wanting to meet you for a long time.
My name's Aaron Arciniega.
Karen Morris.
Michael. Carol Meeks with Glorious Life on Wheels YouTube channel.
I picked up my credit box in Newport, Tennessee on June 30th.
I actually own a tiny home here in Arizona, and I built it with my father-in-law back in 2019.
We have a piece of property in Oregon. This would be perfect.
I'm from Spain. I was born and raised in Madrid. I discovered ranching about 8 years ago. I discovered him when he was starting at the beginning. This is way back when he first started. This older lady, an older black lady, was buying a house from him, and she was so excited. And I was like, what's this lady so excited about? He was explaining what he was doing and what he wanted to do and so forth. And I said, this sounds like what I want to do.
The Incredibox caught my eye because you can decorate it yourself. I have gotten remodeled 2 houses in my past.
2019, 2020, was looking at maybe expanding, adding more to my property, and just started looking on YouTube what was out there and came across your guys' channel.
So I started watching the video, and his personality. He's the same person in person that he is on camera, and that's so
We were
cool.
watching you guys yesterday, and he saw your guys' house, and he goes, "That's the house we saw yesterday on the video. We have to come see it."
Cool.
I just wanted to see what you guys had in real life, because I know I believe in Tennessee, so I wanted to see firsthand the product and what you guys offer, and I think the price point's great. You know, it's just a good quality product.
How many people we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 right now.
The great wide open, look out, here I come, hoist up my sails and ride the wind.
All right.
You have such a good attitude.
Here I come, hoist up my sails and ride the
Pretty
wind.
Man.
That's cool.